Law and order situation in the state is perfectly fine and we can live peacefully, which is not correct, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Starting from the assault on the social activist for trying to document the illegally mining of coal and different minerals and illegal transportation of different minerals across the state, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Be it the issue of Thames Metro area, which has been the issue of, it started like a very small issue. But due to the irresponsive and negligence of the government, it became out of control subsequently. Never before it happened, but then the government has to impose curfew up to long 80 days. It has created a record in the history of state of Meghalaya as far as imposition of curfew is concerned. Till now, after even 2.5 years, this issue is lingering and no solution has been found. Be it petrol bomb, hurling of petrol bomb in different places.
Kindly do not divert what I have said. I have said the situation is bad.
Okay, let him carry on, please.
So
please sit
do
down.
not change the rules.
Yes.
I said the situation is better.
Sir,
I didn't say
Mr. Deputy
perfect.
Speaker, sir, the very essence of debate, we should always understand the very essence of debate. If somebody has
Okay, you continue.
mentioned which is not correct, I will have to correct it.
You continue.
This is
your
my
speech.
privilege as the member of this August House.
No.
Let me tell you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have the privilege also. Not only him,
See, Mr.
I have the privilege also.
Please.
Hey, man, I have the privilege also.
Please,
Don't talk like that.
Please.
I said better situation.
Saling Sangma, please sit down.
we can see the record, sir. He has mentioned that we are living
Out
peacefully.
there. One
We are
second.
living
Have you
peacefully.
been a victim?
Please, sir. Please,
His unparliamentary words should be.
please, Michelle.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Honorable member, please sit down. No, please sit down. Please sit down.
Don't talk to me, talk to the chair.